Hello everyone, we wanted to share with you a flight plan for Clear 2020. You're going to go to clear.cherwell.com in order to log in to Clear 2020 Virtual. You're going to be prompted for your details that would have been emailed to you on logging in to Clear Virtual. Once you get here, you're able to go and take a look at the agenda as an example. If you take a look at the agenda, you're going to see here Tuesday the 13th, which was last week. You're able to watch any of these items that have already now been presented. Taking a look here, we'll show you a fun one you may want to watch, which is using Cherwell to automate the Treasury Department. You'll see myself and Ronnie Banks from Duke Realty presenting on how Duke Realty automated their Treasury Department, leveraging Cherwell Service Management. This is now available on demand, so you're able to watch it at your leisure. Now, also within the agenda, you'll be able to see Tuesday the 20th and the 21st, Wednesday the 21st, which are coming up. And you'll note that when you take a look at these, you're not able to view them yet. They will be viewable and come available at the specific times that are listed. Bear in mind, all times are Mountain Time. So 9 a.m. Mountain Time, for example, we're in Eastern Time here at Excalibur in Pittsburgh. So this would actually be 11 a.m. for us. So just adjust for your time zone and you'll be able to watch these as they become available. And then post-conference, all of the different items will be available for you to be able to view at your leisure. Looking at what else is available up here within our other items within Clear 2020, we want you to pop over to the sponsor concourse. You're going to see all of the wonderful sponsors, the Technology Alliance partners and delivery and resale partners of Cherwell, and you can pop in and say hi. So we'd love for you to pop over to the Excalibur Data Systems virtual booth. You'll see here a bunch of information, a couple of links to our presentations that we've done, as well as information on going to our chat room. If you click on the chat room, you'll see the chat window come up and you're able to stop in and say hi to Excalibur Data Systems. And we'll be able to chat with you in text here. Be sure to stop by our booth so you can get the link to our giveaway and be able to register for that. Or you can click here and join our live meeting. And when you join our live meeting, you'll be taken out to our live meeting where a bunch of us are hanging out, and you can say hi in person, jump on camera, whatever may suit you. So we'd love to have you stop out and do that.
All right, so after you click on join us live, this is what you'll see, the whole team at Excalibur. Say hi, Excalibur. Come join us.
Hello.
Hi.
Come join us Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be there, and we'd love to see everyone.
In addition, you're able to go over to the Teams terminal here, and you'll see most of the various Cherwell teams that are out there. The professional services team, the Cherwell community. These are the wonderful folks that you guys get to see every so often who are setting up your, at this point, virtual user groups, but also set up your in-person user groups. Same sort of deal. You can hop into the chat room and say hi to the different teams that are out here, as well as there's the support lounge. And there's even a future customer lounge. And you can go say hi to Bernadette. So be sure to stop out and say hi to everyone. There's also the features page where they have first class features where they are featuring different details that are out here. And looks like some folks for the hackathon have already started to post some stuff. And then we'll also be able to look at the awards page. We definitely love to have you pop into Clear 2020 Virtual and stop over and see us at Excalibur and be able to absorb a lot of the great content. So we hope to see you on Tuesday the 20th and Wednesday the 21st. Come on out and say hi. Thanks, everyone.